you have to link your eVisa with your passport. If you have already applied to eVisa using the passport, now what you have to do, you have to link your BRP to the eVisa. Hello guys, my name is Dr. Faraz Ahmed. So after making and uploading a video how to convert your BRP into your eVisa and how to scan the chip of your BRP using different types of phone, I have received a very good feedback from you people. Thank you very much for that. And in the meantime, I was receiving a lot of questions. The most important question is, sir, how we can add or how we can connect our passport to the eVisa? So I was not aware even about this thing. So then I started thinking, I started searching on this thing, and after searching a lot on UKVI website, I came across this link which I have given in the description. When you will click on the link, you can connect your passport to your UK eVisa. Please keep in mind, this is very important for different types of things, for your traveling, for your renting. Very important thing which you have to do. You have to link your eVisa with your passport. If you have already applied to eVisa using the passport, now what you have to do, you have to link your BRP to the eVisa. So the process is same for both. So let's move to the screen and I will update you everything. So the link is given in the description. When you will click on the link, this page will open. Update your UK visa and immigration account details. What does it mean? What is meaning of the update? We are going to link the passport to the eVisa, but why they are asking to update? So I will let you know shortly about it. Please keep in mind why your details need to be updated, why your passport needs to be added. It should be updated. Passport should be linked because you have to travel, you have to give details to the employer, landlord, and you have to travel. This is the most important thing. Travel with your current identity document. Definitely you have to do it. So update your UKVI account. To do this, you have to sign in the UKVI account. Click on the sign in link over here and it will take you to the next page. You have to come down, click on the sign in button, and what you will do, so when you created your UK eVisa, you must have created the account using the BRP. So you will select the biometric resident permit. After selection of the biometric resident permit, you will click the continue, then put the BRP number over here, and after this you have to put your date of birth, and then you have to put the security code, and after receiving the security code, you will simply click on the continue button. It will take few seconds and this page will open in front of you. So you can see your account details, name is given, personal details, contact details, sign in details, everything is over here. So your personal details, your name is here, your date of birth is here, and when you will come down, you will be able to see your photo as well. This is the photo that people will use to recognize you at the immigration. Okay, so in this way guys, you can go down identity document, the identity document linked with your immigration. If you travel to the UK, you must make sure that you have the document that is date and can be used to enter the UK. Okay, then it's saying you can add a new identity document if you want to use it to travel. Like you have eVisa, now you can add the passport. So to check the identity document, when you will come down, you will see your BRP is there. So this is my old BRP mentioned over here, and above that there is a current BRP, but my passport is not there. So what you have to do to add your passport, you have to do what? You have to click over here, add a new identity document. Your passport is your identity document. So you will click on this link and this will take you to next page. Have your personal details changed on your new document? These personal details are here. You will check if any details is changed, then you will select the yes button. If no details are changed, then simply you will go down after checking your details, no, and you will click the continue button. So before you continue, you have to do what? Upload a photo, or you can scan your identity document, but keep in mind it must show the machine readable zone. Okay, so it must show the MRZ. What is MRZ? These are the basically two lines of your passport. After that, check that your photo meets the required requirements, check your details are correct, and you will submit the request. So after that, you will click on the continue button, you will move on, and here you will see what type of the identity document you are adding. We have already added by ERP there, but now we want to add passport. So I will select the passport over here, continue button. Then they will ask about what upload or take the photo of your passport. So these are the guidelines. All the four corners of the personal detail page, your personal details, the photo of you, and the MRZ should be there. So picture should be very clear and in focus. There should be no glare. clear picture without any glare on the passport. You will select the continue button. These were the basically guidelines. So upload or take the photo of your passport. Okay, so what you will do, you have to follow these lines as well. It should be an altered, original, horizontal, and jpg. You will select on the choose file. So I have uploaded the file. This is my file name. You will select the continue button. Okay, so here you can see they are saying your photo meets the requirement. It's mean they are going to accept the photo of my passport. Click on the continue. So check before you continue. You have to check the details. Document type is passport, country of issue, document number, expiry date, name, national identity, and nationality, and date of birth. You will check everything and then you will come down. So this is important. You will not be able to change your answers once you submit. So this is important. Check before you submit. If wrong, you will unable to change it. So submit and continue, and you can say over here your update request has been sent. This is important. Everything is done. So we have sent you an email confirming you received the request. What happened next? You will receive an email again when your identity documents have been added to your UK Visa immigration account. You will get an email. So once your account has been updated, you will need to use your new identity document to sign in. We used BRP last time, but once you receive the email, then you have to sign in again, but this time you will sign in using the passport. You will be able to travel with the identity documents that are registered with your account. Like you will be able to travel with your passport then. So back to account details now. And now you can see this is again the account details. Name is given there, name and date of birth is given there, your photo is already given there. But in the identity documents, you can see here, yes, passport is added into your identity document. Okay, so in this way guys, we can add our passport. So previously we saw that only BRPs were there, and now you can see along with the BRPs, passport is also added to the identity document on the UKVI website as well. Okay, so after that what you will do, you will go up and on the upper right hand corner you will click on the sign out button. Why we are signing out? Because after signing out we have to log in again. You have been signed out, you have left the service now. Okay, so as I told you previously, once your account has been created, what you have to need to use the new identity document to sign in. So now we will sign in with the new identity document which we have just added, and that is our passport. So using the passport details, now we are gonna sign into the UKVI account again. Okay, so what you have to do, you will click on the same link, start now button, and now what you will do after clicking on the start now button, it will take you to the next page. Now what identity document did you use when you created the account? So we created using BRP, but now okay, let's put the BRP details. We have put the number. I'm gonna put the date of birth over here, but what you will see, you will see this details entered do not match your record. Okay, so as they told us, you have to sign in using your new identity document. So we try to sign in using the old identity document. So what we will do, we will click on the try again button, and now what identity document did you use when you created the account? We will click on the passport button now, because we have added the passport to the eVisa. Click continue button, then we will put the passport number, date of birth. After this we will put, and after mentioning the date of birth, we have to enter the security code. And once we will enter the security code, it will take us to the next page, and here you go. After clicking continue button, your immigration status will be there. So name is given, that is the name of the candidate, and the status of the visa, either the skilled worker visa, dependent visa. Then validity is given, valid until, everything is given. So this is your immigration status, which is updated using your passport. And now you are logged into your UKVI account using your passport. So you can use this in the different ways. So this was all about guys today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me.